Okay, so how much traffic did your website get last week compared to the same time last year? How was that last post you put on Facebook performing compared to that other one you posted on the different day and time last week? Which is your best performing day on social media? Are you not sure? You definitely need to watch this video. Today, I'm going to show you why tracking your marketing performance is crucial and how to do it easily and effectively without needing a maths degree. Hi, I'm Anna from Club Reach Marketing, part of DigiSpark Media. Now, whether you're running a gymnastics club or theatre group or karate class or a yoga class, understanding and tracking your marketing performance can transform your efforts from guesswork into a strategic powerhouse. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly talk about why it is so crucial. So tracking is going to help you see which strategies are working and which aren't. You can allocate your resources then more effectively to the tactics that actually bring the best results. It's like having a map instead of wandering aimlessly around or throwing spaghetti at the wall. By measuring your return of investment or ROI, you can ensure you are getting the most out of your marketing budget. Did you know that businesses that track their marketing efforts are 17% more likely to see improved ROI? That is money well spent. Now, tracking also provides insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. This means you can tailor your content to meet their needs a lot better, making your marketing more effective and engaging. And of course, regular tracking allows you to adjust your strategies in real time. This makes your marketing more agile and responsive to what's actually happening out there. All right, now that we know why it's crucial, let's get into how to track your marketing performance effectively. So, what tools should you be using to track all of this? Here are a few must-haves. First up, Google Analytics 4 or GA4, which has replaced the old Google Analytics. Now, it helps you track your website traffic, understand user behavior, and measure conversions. GA4 uses machine learning to provide deeper insights and predictive analytics, making it a powerful tool for any club. If you're using Facebook for marketing, then Facebook Insights provides a detailed analytics on your page performance, including post reach, engagement, and audience demographics. For email marketing, tools like MailChimp and Constant Contact offer built-in analytics to track your open rates. So click-through rates and conversions from your email campaign will all be shown here. And don't forget social media management tools like Hootsuite and Buffer. These platforms not only help you manage your social media accounts, but also provide detailed analytics on your post performances across the different platforms. So let's break it down step by step. Step by step, ooh baby, sorry. Step by step. Right, set clear goals. Before you start tracking, define what success actually looks like. Are you aiming to increase website traffic? Or maybe boost your social media engagement or drive more signups? Clear goals will guide your tracking efforts. Now, choose the right metrics. Focus on key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your goals. For instance, if your goal is to increase website traffic, track metrics like page views or session duration and bounce rate. Set up and integrate tools like Google Analytics 4 and Facebook Insights and your email marketing platform. These tools will gather data automatically, giving you detailed insights into your performance. Regularly review the data. Make it a habit to review your data really regularly. Look for trends, patterns, and anomalies. This will help you understand what's working and where you need to make any adjustments. Now, adjust strategies based on your findings. Tweak your strategies. If, say, a particular social media post type is performing well, create more of that kind of content. If an email campaign isn't getting opened, test different subject lines or send times. Now let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. Do not do this. First, don't ignore the data. Collecting the data just for the sake of it is absolutely pointless. Use the insights to inform your decisions. Ignoring data means missing out on opportunities to improve. Also, don't overcomplicate the metrics. Stick to the metrics that matter. Tracking too many metrics can be a bit overwhelming and counterproductive. Focus on KPIs that align with your goals. And lastly, be consistent with your tracking. Inconsistent data collection can lead to unreliable insights and poor decision making. Now it's your turn. Start tracking your marketing performance and see how it transforms your efforts. Got any questions or need any more tips? Drop a comment below and make sure to join our Facebook community for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders and lots of marketing hints and tips. Let's make your club the talk of the town. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more digital marketing hints and tricks for your club, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.